Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, welcome back again with me, Miss Dewi, in our science lesson. Today we will talk about object around us. This is as our science year 3 unit 6 in our term 2. Let's take a look. Welcome to the class. Yeah, it's been a long time since we're not in the class. So now, as if we are in the class, and then look at the object around your classroom. Oh, a lot of objects there. And then choose the object and describe it. Let's start with this. What is this? A thing for writing for teacher or student? Yes, it is the whiteboard. Can you describe what is whiteboard? What? Is it small or big? Yes, it's quite big. What is the color? Yes, it is white. And what else? Yes, this is strong and white. Okay. This. What about this? A place to keep your book. Yes, this is called bookshelf. It usually made from wooden. And it is strong and can load some of books. What about this? You use for writing. You use to put your stationery. It is a table. How can you describe what is table? Yes, there is an equipment with made from, could be from wooden, could be from plastic like in our school, and the color could be brown like this, could be blue or gray in our school. What about this? A place for you to sit. It is a chair. What is chair made of? It is made from metal sometimes, from wood, from plastic. So, did you realize you had just explained the object by the size, shape, color, and material? And all those words that we use to describe object, it is the size, shape, color, and materials that an object is made of are its properties. So we describe the object by their properties. So what are the properties? Yes, they are size, shape, color, and material. Let's take a look one by one. Properties of object number 1, size. Object comes in different size. Big. This, which one is the big one? Papa Bear. Good. Medium. So which of the fish is medium? Good, the red one. And small. Which of the sofa is the small? Yes, the pink one. Good. So we know now the size could be classified into big, medium, and small. Next, the property of object number 2 is shape. Some objects come in different shape, such as circular, like all things we can find around us. Donuts, biscuit, coins, wheel, darts. What else? Rectangular. We can find our laptop, our TV screen, our sound system, our pillow. They are rectangular. And then the other shape is square. So they have the same size in each side. It could be on the alarm clock, on the frame, on the window, chest box. And then the other shape is triangular, like slice of pizza, watermelon, tan, boat, hat, etc. And then the properties number 3 is color. Object comes in different color. We classify it into 2. One color, and then colorful. Colorful means one object have more than one color inside it. And then the property object number 4 are material. Object can made of different materials such as plastic, wooden, metal, and rubber. We will discuss one by one. Now, we can comparing objects. We comparing objects by their properties we look for. So by the properties, we look for first the similarities. Look, I give you all of this picture and then I give you the clue. Similarity is the size, the shape of circle. Which one is include? Good. Alarm goes in, the sun and the ball. Their similarity are they are circular, right? What about this? I've got triangular. So which one who has the similarity? 1, 2, 3. So those three rulers are similar with triangle shape. What about rectangular? This book, this calculator, this sharpener is rectangular. No. Besides compare by similarities, we can also compare by their differences, such as size. If we talk about size, there are big, medium, and size, and small. Excuse me. And then based on the difference in color, there are one color and colorful. And by the difference in shape, like a rhombus and circle. Okay, next. Now, how material chosen to make objects? Object is made for a purpose. So people have purpose to make their object. Object also made from different materials, as we know already. And different materials have different properties. So we choose the material to make object based on these properties. Type of materials: wooden, plastic, rubber, metal, glass. Let's discuss one by one. Material number 1, wooden. What is the character of wood? Wood is strong and does not break easily. It can also support heavy weight. We usually make wood for chair, cupboard, frame, windows, a lot of things. And then the material number 2 is plastic. This plastic is light and waterproof and does not break easily. So that's the properties of plastic. And then the rubber. Rubber is stretched easily without breaking. So we use for many purposes like tires, gloves, balloons, rubber for writing. And the other materials is metal. Metal is strong and does not break easily. We use for nails, hammer, kitchen stuff, and others. What about glass? Glass is transparent, so we can use for our windows so we can see what is outside. And also glass also used for the eat appliances. And then how we can measure the size and mass of object? We can measure the size and mass of object using instrument. When we measure in size, we can use rulers and tape. Ruler for like straight things and tape for something like circular. And then we measuring the mass by using electronic balance and lever balance. And then how we can measure the reduced waste? Too much waste is harmful to environment, and to help our environment is to change how we use the object. First, by avoid using plastic in our daily life, using the long-term using like metal or ceramic for eat appliances. After reduce, we can also reuse. So instead of throwing the things away, we can make craft with them, or else you can donate to other. Sure, the one that's still good and proper to use, yeah. Double check. Beside that, recycle. We can recycle waste material to make useful object. First, and the simple thing we can do is by to classify our garbage like paper with paper, plastic with plastic, glass with glass, and organics with organics. Well, kids, keep being amazing. I love you. I'm so proud of you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.